In an alleged incident of road rage, a popular digital media content creator who was riding with two small children from her neighborhood on a scooter was assaulted by a motorist who was attempting to overtake her. This took place on Saturday at around 12:30 p.m. when the elderly motorist was speeding behind her for almost a few kilometers, desperately trying to overtake. Listen in to the woman narrating her ordeal. Also, we spoke to her uncle.
Hi everyone, my name is Jolene Silva. I was on the street of Barir Pasha Link Road. I was with two kids. There was an old man who was speeding through us for 2 kilometers, and I was somehow taking the vehicle from the left hand side, not wanting to come into his way. This guy overspeeds, risks life of so many people and takes a left turn, takes me on the side. He gets out of the car very furiously. He gives me like 2 punches. He pulls me completely, like he pulls my hair. I had 2 kids. He didn't care about the kids. And this is how it is at the moment. And yeah, I just want to say, how safe is the city? Where is this going? Why are people behaving like maniacs? I had 2 kids on me. कुछ भी हो सकता था. और I don't know where all of this is going. I just want that this man should get, the cops should just punish him for what he did. There was a lady who helped me. There were people who were seeing. He punched me right in my face and I started bleeding immediately. So, yeah, I don't know what to say anymore.
जब ये इंसिडेंट हुआ तो उन्होंने मुझे फोन किया. दैट टाइम इन हड़पसर, मैं हड़पसर में था. तब जब स्पॉट पे पहुंचा वो जाके, दैट टाइम उसको मिलने के बाद, हम लोग एक मिनट को मिलने के बाद मालूम पड़ा है कि वो व्हीकल वाला जो गाड़ी वाला था, बिना कुछ रीजन के वजह से है ना, कि गाड़ी को ओवरटेक करके आके बिना वजह रुका के, कुछ गाड़ी को नो टच हुआ, नो डैश बैठा, कुछ नहीं. सिर्फ खुद का एग्रीमेंट दिखाने के लिए शायद, या खुद का पावर दिखाने के चक्कर में, और गाड़ी में से उतरे और बातचीत हुआ कि बाबा क्यों ऐसा गाड़ी चला रहे थे. बस इसके ऊपर से उसने डायरेक्ट उतर के डायरेक्ट मारना चालू किया. उसके साथ साथ उसकी वाइफ भी रहने के बावजूद एक लेडीज को मार रहा है एक आदमी, उसका हस्बैंड. फिर लेडीज का काम है उसको बचाना, वो बिना बचाते वो भी उसके ऊपर वापस रिटर्न अटैक कर रही है. बॉडी की ऐसा ऊपर से चोट नहीं लगी, पर अंदर से दिल से इतने डर गए थे, इतने जोर से चिल्लाए कि उनके चिल्लाने के चून के आवाज बाकी के लोग सब जमा हो गए कि दीदी वो आप लोग को गाड़ी से उड़ा देंगे बोल के. इतने रैश ड्राइविंग करके उनके पीछे आ रहा था. को फोन आया था. तब तक मैं जिधर मैं रहता हूँ उधर से ये जो स्पॉट हुआ है वो लगभग 22-25 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस है बीच का. और जब मैं उधर उसको जब लगा तो वो बच्चे लोग चिल्लाए डर के मारे. तब पब्लिक जमा हो गई, आजू बाजू के लोग. उनमें से कोई एक लेडी थी, उन्होंने वो मेरे भांजी को खुद के गाड़ी में बिठाया और बच्चे लोग को बिठा के हॉस्पिटलाइज लेके गए. वो टाइम उसके रिलेटिव्स कोई भी नहीं, हम लोग कोई नहीं थे उनके साथ में. जो भी सर्विस दिया, जो भी हेल्प किया ना, वो आम पब्लिक ने हेल्प किया. उसी के साथ साथ जब पुलिस आई उधर जाने से पहला, तब पुलिस ने भी अच्छा हेल्प किया. पुलिस ने वो चाबी ली गाड़ी की, और वो जो मारने वाला आदमी था और उसके औरत को, दोनों को लेके चौकी में आ गए.
And NDTV has accessed the FIR copy in this case of road rage. Paras Dama joins us for more on this. Paras, what are the details and what does the accused have to say about this action? Nothing can justify this attack on the woman.
Rightly said, Gargi. This is a very unfortunate incident which has again happened in Pune. We had seen that from last few months, it's been seen that there are many incidents which has happened in Pune, and this is also one of the incidents which is very much upsetting to see what has happened yesterday with a woman who was driving with the 2 children, and at that time when she reached a certain place, a very rage driver came with his car and tried to overtake her. After the overtake incident happened, the social media influencers tried to stop his bike. He stopped the bike and tried to confront the driver. What is happening? Why are you driving so rashly? So directly driver came out of the car and started hitting the victim. He has punched the victim on his face for 2-3 times, and after that the victim's nose was broken and it was bleeding badly. In this entire matter, Pune police has registered an FIR. The sections which has been put is BNS 118, 74, 115, 2, 352 and 35. With that, Motor Vehicle Act also has been imposed with sections 119, 177 and 184. In this entire matter, after the incident, the local people has got rid of the person, but he was escaping from the spot when he was going to his car. The accused going to his car, he fell down at the place and then he ran away. Pune police is trying to catch the accused in this entire matter, but the FIR has been already launched in this matter, and the victim was in hospital yesterday. She was getting the treatment and now she is fine, but this whole incident is very much upsetting and very much disgraceful. What is happening in Pune, it's very much in a thing which is very much upsetting, and Pune law and order is in question now because it is happening from last 3-4 months. We has continuously seen that what has happened in Pune. Continuously this type of incident is happening, and Pune police is
Right.
they are not able to do anything in this entire matter. How to stop this type of incident? It is very
Right.
important for Pune police to do some strict actions against this type of incidents now.